Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. All right, you guys, so I posted a video a few days ago talking about the brand new foundations from Bobbi Brown, and I did this makeup look in the video, but I didn't actually show the full makeup. I just kind of sped through it. So today I'm showing you guys the full entire makeup, how I created this look. It's actually super easy. I love this for summer. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, just keep watching. All right, guys, as I mentioned, my foundation is already complete because I used the Bobbi Brown foundation and I did a full video on it. If you guys missed it, make sure you check it out. I'm going to link it for you below. Let's get into concealer right away. So for concealer today, I'm using the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer. And I'm actually using two different shades. I'm using 1C, which has more of a pinkier undertone, and then I'm using 3C, which has more of a yellow undertone. Why am I doing this, you might ask? I just really love that pink underneath because it helps get rid of any discoloration. It kind of like offsets any of the blue or dark tones you might have under your eyes. And then the yellow is amazing for brightening. That's why I love to do both. And I'm just blending this out with my finger. I find sometimes using your finger just really helps to kind of melt the product into your skin and makes it blend out so beautifully. And then once everything is blended out, I like to take my brush one more time and just kind of sweep it over everything so the concealer blends in with the foundation and everything just looks seamless. I took a little bit of a highlighter and just used it to highlight the other parts of my face, just to give my face a little bit of dimension. And then I went in with a darker concealer and used that to contour. I did a little bit too intense on my nose, so I had to kind of go in and fix that. And for my cheeks, I'm using my favorite brush to blend out liquid contour. This is from It Cosmetics. I've been using this brush for years, you guys. This is literally my favorite for contour. I'm going to list it for you guys below in the description with all of the other products I use. Once contour is done, it is time for brows, and I'm using the Dior Brow Show pencil. I believe this is what's called. No, sorry, it's the Dior Show pencil. And I love this pencil because it's just like the perfect taupey shade. This color looks good on almost every single person. When I used to do makeup for clients, no matter who sat in my chair, this brow pencil always worked on them because it's just a universal color. So many makeup artists have this pencil in their kit because of that reason. So if you're looking for that perfect pencil, definitely recommend this one. It's a little bit on the pricier side and you do go through it pretty quick because there's not a lot in there. But if you want to like guarantee a great color, this is one I recommend. I used a little bit of the NARS Soft Matte Concealer as a primer on my lid because we are going to do a little bit of shadow for this look, and I'm using my favorite, the Eman times Catrice Bronze AF eyeshadow palette. I have not done enough looks with this palette, you guys. I'm using all three today actually, and the first shade that I used is called Malibu, and it's this beautiful bronzy tone. Again, this is like the type of palette that looks good on everyone. There's colors in there that will suit every skin tone. That's what I love about this palette so much. And I'm just using this with my finger, and then I'm kind of going in with a brush and blending out the edges. And then I'm taking an angle brush and I'm wetting it with a little bit of spray, and I'm taking the color Sweetser, which is this dark brown, and I'm using that to line my lash line a bit. I don't want this to look super intense, but I do want to give my eyes a little bit of definition. So I'm lining with the angle brush and then going in with a blending brush and kind of just softening it out a little bit. So I'm just blending out that shadow so you still see it, but it's not a harsh line. I also added a little bit of the black shadow from the palette to make it a little bit more intense. But again, I apply it with the angled brush and then I go in with the blending brush and I just blend out the edges to make it look way softer and just to give the eye some shape rather than to have like a harsh liner. I'm going back with that dark brown shadow from the palette Sweetster, and I'm using that just to really gently kind of brush that shadow into my lower lashes. So I'm not lining my lower lash line. Instead, I'm kind of just like painting the shadow onto my lashes to make my lashes look fuller. And this just gives like a really cool effect to your eyes. Next, it's time to curl and add mascara to your lashes. And I love doing mascara on the top and bottom lashes. That is a must for me because I love kind of balancing the both out. And now I'm using a pair of Ardell wispy lashes. I love these because they have more of a cat eye shape. So you're getting a lot more length on the outer corner. They're much shorter on the inner corner. So you get like this really pretty cat eye. I actually decided, you guys, to try out a lash extensions. I have an appointment this week. I'm super excited but kind of nervous because I've never done it before. But if you guys have done lash extensions, let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear them. Last little step for the eyes before we move on, I'm using the Urban Decay, the 24/7 kohl liner. I love this color, you guys. It's so pretty. It gives the eyes this little golden tint. It's like a golden reddy brown. It's just the most beautiful, pretty brown liner. I definitely recommend this pencil. If you don't have it in your makeup kit, you guys, I definitely recommend it. I use this pencil all the time. All right, moving on to bronzer. I'm so excited about this bronzer. This is a brand new bronzer from xoxo. You guys know I love this brand. Literally every product of theirs that I've tried has been amazing, and these bronzers are no exception. They're so pretty on the skin, and this is definitely a must for summer. All right, time to dip into the Eman x Catrice Cheeky Blush Palette. I'm going to show you guys how you could use this palette to its full extent. So first shade I'm going to dip into, I'm going to use all 4 shades just to show you guys. So the first shade I'm going to dip into is Cairo. So this is that kind of darker, deeper tone. This works amazing on darker skin tones and even medium or fair skin tones. I'm going to show you guys right now. So the key with this blush is it's super pigmented, you guys. So you want to be unbelievably light-handed when you use it. Put a tiny little bit on your brush and then blend it out. You'll see that a little bit goes a long way. So a little bit can be spread all over your cheek. If you feel like you put too much, just go back with your powder brush and soften it out a bit. Next, I'm going in with the more orangey shade. This is called Luxor. So Cairo, I put it all over my cheek. Luxor, I'm putting now kind of just more on my cheekbone. So just like kind of in the center of my cheeks. And again, you could always blend it out if you feel like it's too much. And then I'm taking a mix of both the pinky shades, Alexandria and Shisha, and popping that right on the apples of my cheeks. This full like effect of all the shades looks so pretty on. You guys have to try it. And right now, if you check out the Catrice.com website, you'll find all 3 of my palettes are on sale for $15. You get 3 for $15. That's $5 a palette, you guys. That's unreal. So make sure you check it out. It's such a good deal. You do not want to miss out. I'm just setting all my makeup with a little bit of loose powder, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 20 Light Medium. I really wanted to make sure that makeup set, so that's why I used quite a bit of powder. Okay, finishing off with the lips, I'm using this nude pencil from Laura Mercier. This is called Natural, I believe. This nude pencil from Laura Mercier. I'm going to include all the details for the colors and everything down below. And I love this pencil because it's just so natural. It literally just matches my own lip color. So it's just a perfect go-to lip liner. And I use this to line my entire lips and fill in a little bit. And then I'm doing a lip combo that has become like my favorite lip combo for summer, you guys. This is the Seriously Satin lipstick from e.l.f. Cosmetics in the shade Nectar, and it's like this really pretty peachy nude. And I wear that all over as my base. And then I take the Seriously Satin lipstick, also from e.l.f. Cosmetics in the shade Creme. And I apply that right in the center of my lips. I love how like it totally just makes the lips look super nude. And then on top of that, I use the lip lacquer from e.l.f. Cosmetics in the shade Fantasy. And this literally makes the prettiest nude lip color ever. I am obsessed. I love it. I wear it almost every single day. They're all e.l.f. products, so they're super, super affordable. Okay, last little step, highlighter. I'm going back into my last palette from my set. This is the Lit Highlighter Palette, Eman times Catrice, and I'm just playing around with the shades, adding highlighter in all of the key areas. Don't forget, guys, these palettes, you can get all three as a bundle for $15 for all three, which is unreal. Don't miss out. I'm gonna link it for you guys down below. If you want to grab the palettes, you'll be able to do a ton of looks, I promise. All right, guys, so this is the final completed look. I hope that you guys love this nude vibe as much as I do. I love this type of makeup, and I love this especially for summer. If you didn't see my foundation video for the Bobbi Brown foundations, make sure you check that out. I'm gonna link it for you in the description box just in case. And be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and also add me on Instagram at Eman or TikTok at Eman Makeup, because I post there all the time as well. All right, guys, thank you so much. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think of the makeup, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye.